Hey party people, it's Holly the Twister Sister back again with another free balloon animal tutorial just for you guys. It is Tutorial Tuesday, but first I have some super exciting announcements I want to share with you guys really fast. Number one, boom! Christmas Patooties is now live and available. It features 7 different holiday designs. Here's 3 of them. And these are all based on the gingerbread that we did last week with the simple body, super fast. All of the designs in the Christmas Patooties download are meant to be line work designs, and so they're all 3 balloons or less. You don't need a bunch of breaking and cutting and tying in new balloons. They're all designed to be fast and quick for line work. So this is live now. Number 2, where to get Christmas Patooties. So many of you guys have been long-time supporters of mine for the years, and I finally have a way to really give back to you guys. YouTube has introduced channel memberships, and so I am going to be spoiling those people that sign up to be channel members of mine like you would not believe, starting now and continuing on. So if you sign up to be a channel member of mine, you are getting the whole entire series of Christmas Patooties for free with your membership. And when the clip art for those is released, which should be like today or tomorrow, you're also going to get all of the clip art files for the Christmas Patooties series for free as well. So how do you get those things? Once you join our channel membership group, then you get access to exclusive members only posts that I make in the community tab of my YouTube channel. So definitely check there for all of the things that are just for you guys. You'll get links to the exclusive members only videos. You'll get download links to any digital files that I just feel like throwing on you guys from time to time. It's going to be clip art, it's going to be printables, whatever I can think to give you guys. I'm just really going to be giving back this year and helping you guys as much as I can to grow and to make more money in 2019. Now, if you don't want to become a channel member, it's only $4.99, you guys. But if you don't want to become a channel member for some reason, the entire series of Christmas Patooties is also available for purchase and download on Vimeo, just like all of my other premium video tutorials, and it's $25 over there, and you'll get instant access to all the videos so you can start making them right away, because I know Christmas season is coming up. It's almost 2019. It's going by so fast. So definitely hop on that so you can add some quick line word stuff to your menus this weekend. All right, now for this week's free balloon animal tutorial, you guys, I am going to show you how to make a elf hat, and it's actually 2 in 1, because this could just be the hat and it could be just any holiday hat, make it in red or green or whatever, and then you add the ears and it's an elf hat. So we're gonna get started. I am doing mine in green today, and so you're gonna need 2 350s or 360s. I've got a green and a white, and you could do red and white, whatever colors you want to do. All right, and I've tied both of these together. They have about, I don't know, I've inflated them about halfway. You don't need the whole balloon on these. So we're gonna start off with our white balloon by making a big old pinch twist. Okay, so I'm talking make a big bubble. It's like the size of my palm. And we're gonna twist that around itself to make a big, big, fat pinch twist. All right, now we're going to fold our green over and just kind of see like how big you want your hat. This is the part of the hat that folds over and bends, so just kind of eyeball and see like how big you think you want it. I'm gonna cut it off right about here, so just do a twist. And then I'm gonna get my scissors and come out to the very end of the balloon and let the air out, and then tie that off. So I've got a nice long tail. Okay, now you could have been proactive and just blown up your balloon this much, couldn't you? So anyway, the next step would be to tie this green balloon with the long tail directly onto a headband. So the way I usually tie these things onto headbands is I just take my balloon like I'm gonna tie it normally. So this is how I usually tie balloons. I wrap it around and then bring it over, but before I finish it off, I'm just going to insert my headband right in there. Okay, and now I'm just gonna pull the remaining of the balloon through the loop and then pull it nice and tight. And then you can position it how you want it so that the knot is on top, so that you've got your balloon tied directly onto the headband. And then I like to also secure it again by doing another knot, kind of like doing a double knot. That way it doesn't come off if they really start banging around on this. Okay, so that's probably the weirdest part of this whole thing. But once you do it a couple times, it's not weird at all. You'll get used to it. And if you have another way you like to attach these to the headbands, do that. Okay, you could probably do two tiny little pinch twists, but I like this. So once we've got our green attached, now we can just fold our balloon over, bring the white down to the base, and you're just going to wrap that white balloon around and bring it back into the pinch twist there. Okay, so I'm going to twist that off. You guys, it's a holiday hat. It's so cute and fast. 2 balloons. Okay, you could put another little pinch twist here in the back if you want to make sure that the big white ball stays in front. But I find that you really don't need it. So, and I'm just going to wrap it around to secure it. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Just one big fat pinch twist, no little pinch twist there or anything. Okay, now you might want to play with this a little bit. I'm just going to bring the white part up so that the green is in the middle of it and it's not pushing down on the headband. Okay, so it's a little bit like wobbly right now, but once you get it on somebody's head, then it stays in place just like it's supposed to. Okay, so that is a holiday hat. If you did that in red, it would be super cute. But we're actually going to add ears now to make it an elf hat. Okay, so for the ears, you're just gonna need a tan or a blush colored 260, and I've left about a 2 to 3 inch tail. And we're just gonna do a pinch twist in the beginning. So take your knot and wrap it around that bubble, and then a big loop for an elf ear. Okay, we've got one elf ear. Now, if you're really talented, you can cut this off and use the rest of the balloon for the second elf ear. If that seems a little crazy to you, just do it with a second balloon. Okay, so I'm just gonna save this loop right here, and I'm gonna use the rest of this balloon for the second elf ear. So I'm going to do another pinch twist and a big loop. Hopefully they're about the same size. Okay, and then I've got this left here. I'm going to leave myself a nice long tail to attach this onto the headband. Okay, so to attach these things, you just take your nice long tail and you want to attach them like way down at the very end of the headband. So you just wrap that tail around, pull it through the ear a couple times like a figure 8, and it's not going to go anywhere. And then I like to position these so that the loop is facing out like this, and you can also give it a little bit of shape, more like an elf ear. So I'm just squeezing the top corner and the bottom to make it a little more elfish. Alright, I'm going to attach the first one that we made. We've also got a nice long tail on this guy. And we're just going to come way down to the end of the headband, wrap that tail through the ear like a figure 8. And make sure it's hidden in the back. And then turn your loop so that it's facing outward. And then give it some shape. Just by folding it and squeezing it kind of into like a triangle shape. All right, so there, now you have a legit elf hat. Let's see how it looks. You guys, are you seeing this? This is so cute. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. And there's no artwork needed unless you want to put polka dots or something on it, but this is good on its own. Oh, it's making me laugh. All right, so hope you guys enjoy this one. Now, this is the free elf version. Don't forget, you can learn how to make this cute little elf guy on the Christmas Patooties tutorial that is free for my YouTube channel members. Only $4.99 to join, and you get a ton of freebies. We're going to be doing character cuties in this style with just like normal characters and animals. I've got a set of geo instructional videos that I'm going to be releasing to my YouTube channel members. So it's definitely going to pay off to be a channel member of the Twister Sister. All right, so let me know what you guys think of this balloon. The clip art for this is actually available and on the website right now. So you can start making these at your next event. Just throw this on your menu and see who picks it. Let me know in the comments if you prefer it with ears or without ears. I think the ears are hilarious. And just imagining a bunch of people walking around your event wearing these, it just makes me laugh. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I've got so many great things planned for you guys in 2019. I cannot wait for the new year, but first we got to finish out 2018. We're going out with a bang. So thank you guys for being a part of this fun adventure with me, and I'll see you guys next week for another free balloon animal tutorial. Bye bye.